It's a day for playing games and having a laugh in bright sparks. Billy and Seamus are about to find out that sometimes things are funnier than they seem.
Thanks, Mrs. O.
You're welcome, Billy.
Okay, Seamus. That one's for you, and this one's for me.
Oh, yeah.
So, I'm thinking of writing a book.
What kind of book?
I don't know. That's the tricky part. It can be a storybook. It can even be a maths book.
Or a story about an artist. It could be anything. Or you could just write down the things that happened to you and see where it leads.
That is a cool idea.
Yeah, I mean, who says that you have to know what it's about before you start to write it? And I can do the pictures for it.
Brilliant, Seamus. Wait a minute. I should be writing all of this down.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said that just a minute ago.
Yeah.
And then I just said that.
Yeah.
So then, that's all. Okay, Seamus. Let's see what happens today.
Wait for me.
Hey, what are you two up to?
Hey, Clara, I'm writing a book. Well, actually, it's kind of writing itself. I'm putting in everything that's happening to me today. So that means you're in the book too.
And I'm doing the pictures.
That sounds like fun.
Whoa, hey, is that a chicken?
Wait, what? Where did that chicken come from? What's it doing in the playground?
Maybe he wanted to go on the swings or the slide. Look, I think he's walking towards the slide now.
Yeah.
Your book just got very interesting, Billy. I never thought I'd see a chicken in the playground.
Me neither. Looks like I picked a good day to start writing things down.
The chicken.
Hey, Billy. Hey, Seamus.
Who said that?
Ah, wild guy, what's up?
I am. Up a tree. Whoa! And now I'm not up a tree. Hey, what you reading, Billy?
Oh, actually, I'm writing a book.
And I'm doing the pictures.
Oh, brilliant. What's it about?
Well, it's about our date, so we'll find out more as our day goes on.
Yeah, it's pretty wild. Oh, so you might really like it.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, like we saw a chicken in the playground earlier.
A chicken in the playground.
No, yeah, I was just walking towards the slide.
Why would a chicken want to get to the slide?
Get to the slide.
Get to the slide.
Get to the slide.
I'm actually feeling like a bit of a big chicken, if I'm being honest. I've got a dentist appointment later, and I'm not looking forward to it.
Oh, hey, it'll be okay. I love going to the dentist. There's nothing to worry about. What time's your appointment?
2:30? Are you taking all this down?
Of course.
I can't wait to see where this book leads. Anyway, I'm off to meet Clara. See you later.
Bye.
Smell you later, well guy.
Look at this. Oh, yeah. Hey, Miss So.
Oh, hello, you two. What are you up to?
I'm writing a book about my day.
And I'm drawing the pictures.
Oh, wow, you're so bright, Billy. Have you got any good stuff yet?
I think so. We met Clara at the playground with a chicken, and then we met Wild Guy in the woods. He was worried because he had a dentist appointment at 2:30. He should be there now.
Oh, is it 2:30? I still haven't had my lunch. What? Did I say something funny? 2:30? 2:30?